We're talking about expanding Medicaid.
That's right, and it looks like you'll have a say this November. Channel 8 Eyewitness News reporter Pierce Corlett joins us now with more information and tonight's top story. Pierce.
Megan and Rod, today the group Ensure the Good Life officially gained enough petition signatures to get the expansion of health care on the November ballot in Nebraska. What you see is 3 months of campaigning and gathering signatures from Nebraskans from Scottsbluff to Omaha to get expansion of Medicaid in Nebraska on the November ballot. Organizers say it would bring health care to 90,000 Nebraskans.
We've had people from all walks of life work together to qualify this ballot measure. Small business owners, faith leaders, homeowners, teachers, and farmers who are from every political party united behind the common cause of bringing affordable, life-saving health care.
Currently in the Affordable Care Act, it states if a state expands its Medicaid program, 90% of the expansion will be paid for by the federal government and the other 10% will be paid for by the state. Governor Ricketts says these federal tax dollars that could pay for an expansion still comes from Nebraskans.
Right, but that federal money comes from us. It's not free money, that comes from us. That's our tax dollars.
Since the Affordable Care Act has been in place, 33 states have expanded their health care, including Iowa. Opponents to the idea of expanding Medicaid in Nebraska say building on Obamacare could be dangerous because of a possible reform in the Congress.
This is one of the things that we know Obamacare is an utter failure. We've seen everything that was promised has not been delivered. We've seen premiums increase, deductibles increase, and that's why we've got to have some reform at the federal level with regard to health care.
But for the group Ensure the Good Life, they see this as a long-lasting solution to the nation's healthcare system.
There's been multiple attempts to repeal the Affordable Care Act and Medicaid expansion. None of them have been successful in Congress. We don't anticipate any will in the future. And quite frankly, we don't say the same thing like that about roads funding or farm subsidies or anything like that.
Now, if in the general election they approve of the expansion of Medicaid here in Nebraska, it would take a supermajority vote in the Nebraska legislature next session to repeal it.